Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Level 12, Starfinder equipped, and the 3 keys plus glowing shard in inventory. Once done, fast travel to the Celestial Gate at midnight. This unlocks the special spawn window. You should approach silently to avoid triggering regular mobs. Then use key 1 on the left altar, wait 6 seconds, and insert the glowing shard into the central socket. This combination initializes the hidden spawn sequence and prepares the zone for the star egg appearance. Once the area is initialized, perform the 3-step ritual. Strike the left rune, touch the sky sigil, and chant the pulse command, each within 45 seconds of the prior action. Make sure to remain out of combat and clear a 10-meter radius because enemy interference cancels the sequence. Then, activate the Starfinder pulse. This reveals the egg's shimmer and marks the flashing coordinates on your minimap. You must move immediately to that coordinate to keep the spawn alive and prevent despawn timers from starting. You finish by approaching slowly with shield raised and using the quick grab action when the shimmer turns solid. Timing here matters because the egg grants a brief vulnerability window. Once secured, store it in a protected slot to prevent accidental deletion. If the egg despawns, leave the zone for 2 minutes to reset the spawn timers, then repeat the ritual steps. If things go wrong, check for overlapping enemy aggro. Clear all nearby hostiles before restarting to prevent ritual cancellation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.